If you have questions big or small, the ES&E Knowledge Base has it all. From tips and tricks, the product info you need. At ES&E we aim to please. It's a feat to behold, it's the sight to see. All the answers you could surely need. From A to Z, it's all in one place. It's the ES&E Knowledge Base. From videos to guides galore, you'll learn and grow, and a whole lot more. It's fast and simple, so easy to use. For every question, it's got the clues.
That's right! If you're having trouble with your motion control system or unsure of what switches and sensors are right for your plant floor, drop on by the ES&E Knowledge Base for answers to all your questions and concerns. From services, software, and even modernization, it's got everything you need!
Wow! It's comprehensive and user-friendly, and it's updated regularly. Up to 15 categories for you to pick. Automation support with just a few clicks. It's the place to find, it's the place to see all the answers that set your mind at ease. Don't waste a minute, just jump right in. The ES&E Knowledge Base for the win.